Hello Foodizens, welcome back to my channel. Let's make this quick and easy egusi soup. Okay, so in a pot I'll be adding in cooked meat. I'll leave a little bit of that water and add it to my egusi so that I can mix it well. Add stockfish, pepper, crayfish, water into that meat, then add in palm oil. Mix this, and as you can see how my egusi is looking, I'm going to drop this in the cooking pot. So make sure to stir properly. I'll go with a dry fish, smoked fish, more crayfish, and stir this well. Okay, once that is done, going with your seasoning cube. Okay, stir this properly as you see on the screen. Cover and allow this cook for a while. After it's almost 70% done. Go in with your vegetables. I'm going in with ugu and uziza leaves. Add more crayfish. Make sure you stir this properly so it cooks well. As you can see, we are almost done with this. It's already looking good. Adjust your seasoning, adjust your taste as much as you can take. That's fine. Turn this, stir this, and make sure it cooks properly. And voila, it is done. Foodizens, this food was really amazing. Would you be trying this particular method? Like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye everyone. I love you guys.